Hey everybody, and welcome to another Howtech video tutorial. In this video we'll be showing you how to write an Excel if function. So we have a few grades here and we want to give each of those a letter grade. So first I'm just going to show you how the if function works, and we're going to do a nice easy pass or fail. So we're going to click our cell that we want the output to be in. We're going to go up here in the function bar, hit equals, and we're going to type in if. And you can see in the tooltip here, it checks whether a condition is met and then returns one value if true and another if false. So we'll open with a parentheses. Here's our logical test. And it's going to be if this cell, which is D4, if this cell is greater than or equal to, let's say, 60, then put a comma there. The value if true, we're going to want to output a pass. And we have to put that in quotation marks so that Excel knows that we're just outputting the actual word. Hit another comma, and the value of false is going to be fail. So we'll close our parentheses there and hit enter. And you can see that 88 gets a pass. And then we're going to click and drag this little box down here. And that'll put the function down for each of those and change the value that it's looking at. So you see that some of them pass and some of them fail. So what if you wanted to do an actual letter grade? If you wanted A, B, C, D, or F, and the way to do that is to use multiple if statements. It's a method called nesting if statements. You put if statements inside of if statements. So to do that, we're going to actually delete all of this, and we'll start with D4 again. So if D4, we're going to start at the very top. If D4 is greater than or equal to the value of 90, the value if true, we're going to give them an A. We'll put a comma there. And if false, well, then we have to go and check all the other letters. So we'll put in another if statement here. So the logical test is going to be if D4 is greater than or equal to 80. And if so, we'll give them a B. Otherwise, go through another if statement. If D4 is greater than or equal to 70, put a comma there, we'll give them a C. And else, we'll put a comma there. We go through another if statement. If D4 is greater than or equal to 60, we will give them a D. And here there's only one other option, which is an F, so we don't need another if statement. We can just put F right there at the last one. Then you want to make sure that you close all your parentheses. I think I need one more, or maybe right there should be good. So here we have a B there. We'll go in the bottom right and drag that down. And you can see that it looks like everything is working properly. This person gets an F, A, F, A, D, and B. We can also play around with some other values if we wanted to. Drag that down even more. Let's say someone gets a 75 or a 74. They get a C, that's correct. 86, you get a B, and that's correct as well. So it looks like everything is working properly. What Excel functions do you use the most? Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. And make sure to press the bell button to be the first to know about our new videos.